RV retirement. Downsizing for adventure in your golden years. Retirement beckons with the promise of unstructured days and the freedom to chase the sunset on your own terms. For many, this golden era is the perfect opportunity to downsize to an RV and embrace a life of adventure, simplicity, and discovery. But transitioning from a traditional home to a life on wheels isn't just a change of scenery, it's a lifestyle revolution. Here's how to embrace this exciting chapter, ensuring your RV retirement is as enriching as it is adventurous. Embracing the minimalist mindset. Start small. Begin the downsizing process by decluttering. Remember, your RV won't have the attic's luxury for just-in-case items. This is your chance to simplify, keeping only what brings you joy and utility. Think multifunctional. In RV life, space is golden. Opt for items that serve multiple purposes, a dining table that converts into a bed or kitchen gadgets that can tackle several tasks. This approach not only saves space but also simplifies your daily routine. Digitize. Swap physical books for ebooks, CDs for digital music, and paperwork for digital files. This digital decluttering can significantly lighten your load and make your cherished memories and entertainment easily accessible. Choosing your home on wheels. Size matters. Bigger isn't always better. Consider the ease of driving, fuel efficiency, and park accessibility. A compact RV might be more maneuverable and economical, offering greater freedom to explore those off-the-beaten-path destinations. Layout. Love. Spend time exploring different RV layouts. At this stage in life, comfort is key. Look for features that cater to a retirement lifestyle, comfortable sleeping arrangements, a user-friendly kitchen, and perhaps a dedicated space for hobbies. Test the waters. Before making the leap, rent an RV similar to the one you're considering. A trial run can offer invaluable insights into the realities of RV living, helping you make a more informed decision. Staying connected. Community ties. The RV community is vast and welcoming, with fellow adventurers sharing a wealth of knowledge and camaraderie. Engage with this community through online forums, social media groups, and RV rallies. These connections can be a source of support, friendship, and invaluable tips. Tech savvy. Invest in reliable internet solutions to stay connected with family, manage finances, and access entertainment. Satellite internet, Wi-Fi boosters, and mobile hotspots can ensure you're just a click away from your loved ones and essential services. Mail management. Consider setting up a mail forwarding service to manage your correspondence and parcels. These services can forward your mail to any location, ensuring you don't miss important communications or packages. Health and wellness. On the go. Mobile healthcare. Maintain your health insurance and research telehealth options. Many providers now offer virtual consultations, making it easier to access medical care on the road. Also, keep a well-stocked first aid kit and a list of prescriptions. Stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Whether it's a morning walk, yoga, or bike rides, staying active is crucial for a healthy retirement. Many RV parks and campgrounds offer amenities and natural settings that encourage an active lifestyle. Mindful eating. The temptation of roadside diners can be alluring, but maintaining a balanced diet is essential. Plan meals that are not only nutritious but also easy to prepare in your RV kitchen. Farmers markets and local produce can offer fresh and healthy options. Financial planning. For the long-haul. Budgeting. Create a realistic budget that accounts for fuel, campground fees, maintenance, insurance, and living expenses. Remember, while RV living can be cost-effective, unexpected costs can arise. A solid budget will keep your finances on track and your adventures rolling. Income streams. Consider part-time work, freelancing, or seasonal jobs if you're looking for a financial cushion or simply want to stay engaged. Many RVers find fulfillment in work camping, exchanging work for a place to park and utilities. Emergency fund. Set aside a contingency fund for unexpected repairs or medical expenses. This financial safety net can provide peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your retirement adventures without financial stress looming overhead. Making memories and leaving legacies. Document your journey. Start a blog, keep a journal, or create a photo album of your travels. Not only is this a wonderful way to preserve memories, but it's also a way to share your adventures with family and friends. Give back. Volunteering can add a layer of meaning to your travels. Many organizations and parks look for volunteers, offering a chance to contribute to the communities you visit. Lifelong learning. Embrace the endless opportunities for learning on the road. Whether it's attending workshops, visiting museums, or simply learning from the diverse landscapes and cultures you encounter, retirement is an ideal time to expand your horizons. The road to fulfillment. Retiring to an RV isn't just about changing where you live, it's about transforming how you live. It's a leap into a life of minimalism, adventure, and unparalleled freedom. As you navigate this transition, remember that the journey itself is as important as the destination. Each mile brings new landscapes, each sunrise promises fresh possibilities, and every campfire invites tales yet to be told. So, as you set forth on this grand adventure, embrace each moment with an open heart and a curious spirit. For in the vast tapestry of retirement, RVing isn't just a thread. It's a vibrant, bold stroke that redefines the art of living. Here's to the open road, the scenic route, and the joy of discovering that the best is yet to come. Happy travels!